The Wood Artisan Pergola from Horizon Structures can help you discover the great outdoors in your own backyard. 6x6 vinyl covered posts with a solid wood core have covers at the bottom to conceal the mounting hardware, while attractive capitals cover the hardware at the top. The heavy-duty headers are made from two 2x8 cedar beams. The top is made of 2x6 cedar joists and 2x4 cedar runners, all stained in your choice of color. The joists, runners, and headers are all notched for strength and easy assembly. Like all of our structures, you'll find an almost endless list of options. Select your size. Choose your exterior color. Choose your stain color. Add an easy shade canopy to block out the midday sun, or an easy shade curtain for shade and privacy. No matter your style, there are options to make your pergola uniquely yours. But there's much more to our pergolas than colors and options. There's quality. We work hard to provide the very best products in the business, and it shows in our quality. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these pergolas with a 10-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Pergolas are also a great way to add value to your property, and financing is available if needed. The Wood Artisan Pergola from Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.